In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an incoming webhook URL on Slack in just 5 minutes. Setting up a webhook is a valuable way to enhance your Slack workspace, enabling you to automate notifications and ensure your team's digital communication is as streamlined as possible. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you need to do is go to Slack and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and greeted by the familiar Slack interface, move over to the left sidebar and find the Apps section. Click on it to proceed. You'll see a list of apps you've integrated with your Slack workspace. To add a new one, you'll need to click on Add Apps. This action will navigate you to the Slack app directory, where all available integrations can be found. While you're in the Slack app directory, scout for an option that says Open in Slack Marketplace and give it a click. From there, keep an eye out for the small 3-lined hamburger icon, usually found at the upper corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open more options, and then select the Build option from the menu. This will direct you to the Slack API platform. Now you're ready to create your own app. Look for and click on Create an App. When prompted, you'll want to choose From Scratch. This option lets you customize the application from the ground up, according to your specific needs. Next, you'll be prompted to input a name for your app. Take a moment to come up with something relevant and memorable. Once named, select the workspace you want this app to be associated with. This decision lets you manage which team and channels the app will influence. After naming your app and selecting the workspace, go ahead and click on Create App. You'll now enter the customization phase, which includes aesthetic elements important for making the app recognizable to your team. First, choose a background color that aligns with your branding or personal preference. Next, compose a short description of your app. This step is particularly useful for others in your workspace to identify what the app does at a glance. Follow it up with a more detailed, long description. This description should explain the app's purpose, functionalities, and any other crucial details. Finally, review all the details you've input. Once satisfied, proceed by scrolling down and clicking on Save Changes. This will conclude your process of adding an incoming webhook URL on Slack. And there you have it, a fully customized app with a webhook URL integrated, ready to enhance your team's communication workflow. I hope you found this guide comprehensive and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and make sure to optimize your Slack experience by following these steps. Until next time, take care.